almost fell apart. Now let me regain what I was trying to say. You're like the morning dew, you're so refreshing too. So lovely are your ways, my heart will simply pay for this love.
Di questo amore,
This love,
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 di questo amore,
this love. Come on,
questo amore. Ma vie n'est plus comme elle était depuis que je t'ai rencontré. Amour c'est un mot si compliqué que tout le monde veut prendre. Je crois enfin qu'on l'avoir trouvé.
All the things you are, you're a bright shining star. You illuminate the night, you surpass the guiding light. I'll take you by the hand, together we will stand. And what I'm trying to say, so lovely all the ways, 'cause you make my heart time. Oh, no time to fall apart. And now let me regain these words I'm trying to say. From this love,
Di questo amore,
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 this love,
de cet amour,
this love,
de cet amour,
this love,
di questo amore.
this love.
And had that hope.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, you guys wanna meet these guys up here?
Yeah!
Okay, cool. So, we're gonna start back here on drums. He has to be back at work soon, so we're gonna do this fast. This is Nick Favorka! Yeah! Shit, yeah. And over here on bass, we have the man Chris Promise. Yeah, come on. Cool, y'all give it up for Chris?
Yeah!
And over here on vocals, I've known this man for, I'm not gonna age myself, but he's a really good friend. We used to be roommates back in Boston. Give it up for Jason Fuzzy Rodriguez. Yeah, come on, Fuzzy. I call him Fuzzy. So. And next, one of the newest members for the band, all the way from Italy, Arizona / Give it up for Stephen Poole, y'all. Stefano. Stephen. So I have someone very special to introduce to you. I can only say I'm African American. I have to put the American behind it. But this man can truly say he's from the motherland. Y'all give it up for my boy,
Che cosa vuole dire il fatto di vivere? Per la gente vivere vuole dire amarsi, vivere vuole dire escludersi, ma vivere è un sentimento che non posso esprimere. Se sono morto, tutti viviamo una montagna, la nostra vita per parte mia, dobbiamo vivere ogni giorno della nostra vita, ogni minuto della nostra vita, come sempre nell'ultimo minuto, sono cosa che possiamo fare il tempo, per passare il tempo della nostra vita. تيستي يا حياتي عمرك الكل تقعد معايا.
Cool.
Bravo!
So, really quick, do you guys want to hear one more song?